Okay, now that you have your covers glued to your sketchbook, we now want to finish off the inside, and we're going to do that with a mitered corner. So to make a mitered corner, let me show you what it would look like if you didn't do a mitered corner. So if I take and bend these across the cover to the back side, which is the inside of your sketchbook, if I go like this, and then like this, then I have this wad of paper right here. And we don't want that wad of paper. We want to make a mitered, it's called a mitered corner. And to make a mitered corner, we have to know we need a 45-degree angle. Okay, so I'm going to give you this high-tech tool. It's a piece of paper. You're going to take and just make a triangle on the top of that. And make sure that you've got it folded really as perfect as you can. So that should line up along that straight edge right there. Okay? If you don't have it perfect, then it's not going to be a 45. It's going to be a 44 or 46. Okay? Then you're going to take and line that straight edge. So you're going to use the straight edge always up against your cover like this. And then you're going to go point to point, corner to point of your triangle. Okay? So I just say point to point. Then, remember, you're using the straight edge, the straight side of that. Straight side, line it up to the other side of your cover and make a line there. That creates a 45-degree angle. Then you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut that off. Okay? And then when we fold this, you'll see how this comes together and makes a mitered edge. If you've done it perfect, your paper won't overlap and it also won't have a gap. So I did really good on this one. So it doesn't always look that good, but that one I did a good job on. Okay. Then you got to do the same thing on the other corner before you glue it. You've got to like have all your 45s cut. So again, use the straight side, put it up against your cover page, and then draw that 45-degree angle. Remember, point to point on that straight side. And then cut that part off. So you'll have a few little scraps. You have 4 little scraps because you got 4 corners that you got to cut off. Okay. Then you're going to take your newspaper. So remember that newspaper is there for us to glue. So you got the cover of your sketchbook. You're always going to glue the smallest piece first. So you're always going to glue that little piece of paper that's sticking off the edge. Okay, so get your glue on there. And then if you pre-bend it, it'll be a little better because then it's already bent and you're not trying to make it stay while you're trying to glue it. And then just make sure that's nice and snug. We want all this snug. Okay, then glue this side. Remember, always put your glue on the smallest piece. So don't glue the cover. Glue the piece of paper that's hanging off the edge, because then you don't have glue where you don't want it. So see how this mitered corner here has a little bit of a gap? But that's okay. Okay? If it overlaps a little bit, fine, but still better than that wad of paper if we don't make that mitered corner. Okay? And then do this other side. And then press that down nice and snug, and then you're going to do that same steps on the other cover. Okay, until you've got both sides of your sketchbook finished with their mitered corners on the inside, and then your outside cover is going to look really nice and professional. Okay, get to work and let's get it finished. When you're done, you're going to just fold this up. You can fold it and use the clean side. This is garbage. This is garbage. I've got one more corner right here. Garbage. And when you clean up, you'll just throw that stuff away. Okay. Good luck.